Welcome to this session on machine learning. Today, we'll explore what machine learning is, the problems it can solve, and the main types of algorithms that drive modern artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn patterns from data without being explicitly programmed. Instead of step-by-step instructions, we give computers data and allow them to learn from experience. Can you think of one real-world application of machine learning you use every day? Problems machine learning. Problems in machine learning can be classification, regression, and clustering. Classification assigns data into categories. For example, detecting spam emails, classifying medical images, or recognizing spoken words. The outcomes here are discrete labels. Regression. Regression predicts continuous values. Examples include estimating house prices, forecasting stock prices, or predicting tomorrow's temperature. Regression focuses on numerical outcomes. Clustering. Clustering finds hidden patterns in unlabeled data. It can group customers by shopping behavior, organize news articles, or identify genetic similarities. Unlike classification, there are no predefined categories. Think about your favorite app. Do you think it uses classification, regression, or clustering? Drop your guess in the chat. Types of machine learning algorithms. The algorithm of machine learning can be supervised, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, the model is trained on labeled data with known answers. For example, predicting exam scores from past student performance. This approach is widely used in fraud detection, speech recognition, and medical diagnosis. Unsupervised learning narration. Unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data. The system discovers hidden structures like segmenting customers, clustering similar articles, or recommending movies. It's about finding patterns without prior knowledge. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is different. Here, the model learns by interacting with an environment, receiving rewards for good actions and penalties for mistakes. It powers self-driving cars, robotics, and game playing. AI systems. Which type of learning, supervised, unsupervised, or reinforcement, do you think powers voice assistants like Siri or Alexa? From recommending shows on Netflix to powering self-driving cars, machine learning is everywhere, shaping industries like healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. To sum up, machine learning teaches computers to learn from data. We explored the problems it solves: classification, regression, clustering, and the main types of algorithms: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Now it's your turn to dive deeper, experiment,